As the days grow shorter and leaves turn brilliant shades of orange and red, gardeners gather their bountiful fall harvests. But what about those vegetable scraps? Instead of tossing them away, you can turn them into nutrient-rich compost to boost your garden soil. Today, we'll explore 10 practical tips for using fall vegetable scraps to elevate your composting game. Tip number 1, choose the right vegetable scraps. Focus on nutrient-rich leftovers like pumpkin guts, carrot tops, beet greens, and cabbage leaves. Avoid starchy vegetables like potatoes or anything that attracts pests like onions and garlic. Balance is key. Mix greens such as vegetable peels with browns like dried leaves or cardboard for optimal compost health. Tip 2, layering. Start with coarse materials like straw or small branches, then add your vegetable scraps, followed by a layer of browns like dry leaves or shredded cardboard. Think of it like building a compost cake. Each layer improves aeration, controls odors, and keeps pests at bay. Tip 3, embrace brown materials. They provide carbon to balance nitrogen-rich greens, control odors, and improve soil structure. Shred cardboard and collect fallen leaves for the best results. Tip 4, moisture matters. Your compost should feel like a damp sponge. Too wet can cause odor and pests. Too dry slows decomposition. Add water gradually while turning, or more browns if it's too wet. Tip 5, turn your compost regularly. Every 1 to 2 weeks, use a pitchfork or aerator to mix materials. This increases oxygen flow, speeds decomposition, and reduces odors. Tip 6, add coffee grounds. Rich in nitrogen, they enhance microbial activity and improve soil structure. Mix them evenly and use sparingly for best results. Tip 7, monitor temperature. The ideal compost temperature is 130 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Insulate with straw or leaves and adjust greens and browns as needed to maintain heat. Tip 8, make compost tea. Steep a bag of finished compost in water for a few days, stirring occasionally. Strain, dilute 1/10 with water, and pour over plants to boost nutrients. Tip 9, be patient. Fall composting is slower due to cooler temperatures. Check moisture, temperature, and material balance weekly. Keeping a journal helps track what works best. Finally, tip 10, use your finished compost. Once it's dark, crumbly, and earthy smelling, spread it in garden beds or mix with potting soil. This black gold nourishes your plants, retains moisture, and suppresses weeds. Transforming fall vegetable scraps into nutrient-rich compost not only benefits your garden, but also promotes sustainability. Gather your scraps, start composting, and enjoy the rewards of healthy, thriving plants. Every small action counts toward a greener planet. Be sure to check out this video for more.